How to add or delete categories and items in eGlobe POS. Log in to eGlobe. Your dashboard shows revenue, bookings, and key insights at a glance. Now, go to the POS from the navbar and click on Manage POS. You will see a list of restaurants. Click on Manage POS for the specific restaurant you want to configure. To add a new category, click on the Add Category button. Enter the category name, upload an image, and click Submit. Now, let's add items to this category. Click on Manage Items. First, select the category where you want to add items. Then, click on Add Items. Add the item name and configure pricing according to different quantities. Add applicable taxes if needed. And upload an image, then submit. The item will now appear in the category. Let's add one more item. Click on Add Items again, enter the item name, set the price, upload a picture, add taxes if applicable, and then click Submit. You can now see both items successfully added under their respective categories. Like that, you can add multiple items in a single category. To delete a category, first, delete all items under that category. Then, you can delete the category. That's how you can add or delete categories and items in eGlobe POS. For more information, call us at 9818880480.